viewers, you're watching The Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. The Delhi High Court has imposed a cost of Rs 20,000 on the Union government for concealing key facts in its review petition, challenging an earlier order that directed the promotion of Indian Revenue Service officer and former Narcotics Control Bureau officer Sameer Wankhede. A division bench comprising Justice Navin Chawla and Justice Madhu Jain dismissed the centre's plea and deprecated its conduct, observing that the government had failed to act with the candour expected from a state when approaching the judiciary. The court stated, "We expect that the petitioner as a state would disclose all the facts truthfully before filing the petition," and held that the omission was unacceptable, especially considering the seriousness of the matter. The controversy arose from a direction issued by the Central Administrative Tribunal in December 2024, which instructed the Union government to open the sealed cover containing Wankhede's promotion file and, if found suitable by the Union Public Service Commission, to grant him promotion to the post of Additional Commissioner with effect from January 1, 2021. The CAT had passed the order after noting that there were no ongoing departmental proceedings, no charge sheet, no suspension and no pending criminal prosecution against Wankhede at the time. The Delhi High Court had earlier upheld this CAT order on August 28, 2025 and directed the government to comply with tribunal's instructions within 4 weeks. Following this, the centre filed a review petition claiming that departmental proceedings had been initiated against Wankhede between the reservation of judgment on July 29 and its pronouncement on August 28. However, the court found this argument misleading and held that the centre had concealed the fact that the CAT itself had passed an order in August 2025 staying the very departmental proceedings it was referring to. This crucial order, which had been passed before the centre filed its review petition, was not disclosed before the court. The bench emphasized that concealment of such material facts could not be tolerated and reminded the government of its duty to act with full transparency and fairness in judicial proceedings. The court categorically stated that at the relevant time there was no charge sheet issued in any departmental or criminal proceedings against Wankhede, nor was he under suspension, thereby rejecting the centre's contention that more allegations or complaints justify the withholding of his promotion. The central government had previously argued that the CAT had failed to consider the fact that complaints were filed against Wankhede, including one alleging that he had used a forged caste certificate to gain employment, and others involving investigations by the Central Bureau of Investigation and the Enforcement Directorate. Nevertheless, the court found all these claims unsubstantiated in the absence of formal proceedings or concrete action. Dismissing the review petition, the Delhi High Court imposed a cost of Rs 20,000 on the centre to be deposited within 4 weeks and reiterated its earlier direction to implement the CAT's order and process Wankhede's promotion if his name is recommended by the UPSC. The case has drawn attention partly because of Wankhede's high-profile role in the 2021 Cordelia Cruise drug case, which involved actor Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan. While the case brought him to the national spotlight, Wankhede later faced allegations of misconduct and credential fraud. However, in the absence of any formal indictment or departmental action at the time relevant to his promotion, the High Court held that there was no legal basis to withhold the promotion. The ruling sends a clear message regarding the standards of transparency expected from the government in judicial matters and uphold the principle that promotions cannot be stalled on the basis of unproven allegations or administrative omissions. That's all for now. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.